Hello good people. So today I am back with another video. So in today's video, this is going to be a little bit different. I will be switching things up a bit. I will not be in the kitchen cooking. However, I will be bringing you a beauty haul today. And the brand in this video is by any means not sponsored. This is just something that I did my research on and that I wanted to get with my own money. For you guys that don't know, my name is Paula. I am new to YouTube, and this channel contains my lifestyle. So moving right along, I hope everyone is staying safe and is well and had a wonderful holiday weekend. As you know, the holiday weekend is coming to an end, but it was still a long weekend. So let's go ahead and get started. So the items that I purchased, and if you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my iPad because I need my iPad for my notes. So in this video, as I was saying, I am going to be going over a beauty item that I purchased I'm going to say about 2 months ago, and it is the Revolve Beauty. I first learned about Revolve Beauty on Instagram, and I'm going to say I stalked their website and I watched different YouTube videos about their products for about 6 months before I went ahead and ordered for myself. I don't know why I'm like that, but before I order something or invest my money, I do extensive research on the product. I don't care what it is. It could be a $20 handbag. It could be a $5 shoe. I will research and research and research and watch videos just so I know what I'm spending my money on. So yes, so this is how it came. And you guys, I have not used anything in the beauty bag. This is a really cute beauty bag. My favorite color is pink, so this suits me very, very well. This is what it came in. Like I said, I have not used anything as of yet. Also, I've had this for about 2 months, and I wanted to do the unboxing on my YouTube channel, so hey, here we are. So this retails for $75. It is a self-care essential kit. What I did find when I did unbox this and go through some of the things, a lot of the items that they sent to me are travel size. So it's just like an introduction of some products that you may later on want to invest and spend and purchase the full size. So that's what I like. I like to try things out before I actually spend my money, because you guys know, you ladies know, you gentlemen know that things are expensive, especially when we get into beauty, healthcare, far as like your face, skin, hair. All those products can be very, very, very expensive. So I do appreciate companies like this who has like little kits that you can try out. So with Revolve, you get a total of 11 items, and I'm gonna go over all 11. Like I said, this is all new to me, so I will be trying these things out. So let's begin with this right here. So this is the SACHAJUAN, I do believe I'm pronouncing that correctly, Ocean Mist for your hair. This looks like this is a good product, like if you are on the beach. I know no one is really going anywhere right now because of everything that's going on in the world today. Unfortunately, it's not that safe to travel, and if you do travel, you have to take a lot of precaution. So yeah, maybe in 2021, yeah, we can all get back to our travel routine, because I know I am ready to go on vacation. What is this? July. Normally in September, I'm getting ready to go on some kind of vacation. And this year, we won't be doing so. So that's a bummer. But hey, what are we going to do? It's no sense in complaining, right? So moving right along, this is the Ocean Mist for your hair. And what it says is pretty much you want to spray this onto your dry hair for a finished look. Today I'm wearing just a bun because it is hot outside and I have a lot of hair. So my hair is in a bun. So this would have been really good to use for my hair today. So I can't wait to use this product and try it out. The next product that came in my kit was from Kopari. And this is just a coconut rose toner for refresh and balance. So I am all for toners. I know my ladies and my gents can agree with me. It's nothing like a good toner. You know, I don't wear a lot of makeup, but when I do wear my makeup, excuse me, my leg is cramping. But when I do wear my makeup, I do a concealer because I do have dark spots under my eye, dark circles under my eye. I do my toner, I do my bronzer, and I do my eyeliner. So yeah, and I do a little bit of lippy. So a good toner is really good, and this is a nice size actually. I'm gonna say this is a travel size, so you can put this, like, you can keep this in your purse, or you can put this in your luggage if you are traveling, and put it in, or your carry on. So yeah. This right here I'm really excited about, because I get to try this before I actually make that big purchase. And this is the Superwap Glow Sheen SPF 40. This is a very hot item right now. I do know that it is sold at Sephora. I'm not sure if Ulta sells it, but I'm so happy that this was in my kit, so I can try this out before I actually take the plunge and buy the full size. So yes, I will be putting this in my purse, and I will be trying this today before I go to work. I will put this on before I go to work today. So I am super excited about this. And I'm sure you guys know about this right here. It's all over YouTube. It's all over Instagram. So yeah, really excited about this. Also, what came in my kit is the Kai hand cream in the rose. I'm gonna say the rose scent. I did smell this before I started filming, and you guys, oh my God, this is amazing. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells really good. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's so fresh. It smells really fresh. Moving right along to the next item, and the next item is for Seed. This is a Day Dissolve Cleaning Balm. Don't know too much about this product, but this is a nice size that they sent me in my kit, and I cannot wait to use it. And of course, I put that lotion on, so it's gonna be a little hard to open, but I am going to open this now. I'm gonna try to open this now, because I just wanna see what it's about, you know? Okay. It doesn't really have a smell to it, if you guys can see. And this is a Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm, Vitamin E, and it says it's made for all skin types. So you massage a dime-sized amount into dry skin, wet fingertips, and continue to massage, then you rinse. You put this over your entire face, and this can be used for PM and AM. So I'm excited about using this, and I'm so sorry if I butchered the name, but here is the brand right here. So yes, I'm excited about using this as well. And also what came in here is Boscia. I am excited about this. You guys know this is a really good brand as far as their cleaning products. I know I get mine from Sephora, and this is just the Cactus Water Moisturizer. So yes, I am so excited about this. I am so excited to use this. Yes, I cannot wait. Oh my goodness. I love their products. I love their products. They have really good cleaning products for your face. And also this is the Cleaner Soul. This is a rejuvenating hand sanitizer. This also came in my kit, so I'm excited about that. You can never have too many hand sanitizers nowadays. You need them everywhere. You need them in your car. You need them in your lunch bag if you carry your lunch to work. You need them in your purse. You need them in your trunk. You need them in your back seat. You need them in your front seat. You just need them. You need them in every purse that you have. So this is a win-win. So the next item that I have is Wonder, and this is the Lip Retreat Oil. So yes, skinny dip. So I'm excited about that. Yeah. Also, what I received and I'm excited about is my Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. So I cannot wait to use this as well. And yes, I did get a travel size or a sample size, but everyone knows that his products are expensive. So I cannot wait to use this to see if I want to go ahead and buy the full product. And lastly but not least, they threw in, oh my goodness, everything is sealed, so I'm gonna have to just rip this up. Okay. Last but not least, I did receive a Naked water bottle that was also in my kit. So I am so excited about this water bottle. I'm sorry, the color is Naked. Yeah. So, yeah. So, let me check something here really quick. I'm just looking down at my iPad just to make sure that I did go over everything with you guys. And like I said, I did get the Naked water bottle, and this was in my kit. So everything that I went over is by Revolve Beauty. I am excited to try my items. So the two things that I'm mainly excited about, actually I have three, would be my Superwap Glow Sheen in the SPF 40, because like I said, I was getting ready to buy this full size, and you guys know that it is a bit pricey, but with this I get to try it and see if I actually like it. So I'm excited about this. I am also excited about my Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. I cannot wait to try this. I'm going to try this probably tomorrow when I'm off. I'm off tomorrow night. So I'm going to try this. I cannot wait to try this. And also I'm excited about my water bottle. So this was really nice because I don't think these are that cheap. I think these are a little pricey as well. So I'm excited to try all of these items out. So like I said, this is the Revolve Beauty Kit. And if I did not say, the whole kit retails for $75. That's the price that I paid. This video is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. And you do get a set of 11. Like I said, I ordered this about 2 months ago, and it came rather fast. So I am excited to try all of these things out. I will keep you posted as time goes on, as I use different products that I have in this kit. So this is going to be bye for now. I'm just drinking some sparkling water by Deer Park. That is so yummy, and I put it in a wine glass to psych myself out because I have trouble with drinking water. So I'm smelling my hand because I put on, this is an old scent to some, but I love it. It smells so good. And this is Burberry by Her. Oh my goodness, you guys, this scent smells amazing. And I can talk about this because we just went over beauty products, so why not throw in the scent that I'm wearing today? Oh my goodness, I first learned about this. I was getting off work and I was going to my car, and we park in the garage. And I was coming, I was getting off of the elevator, walking over to my car, and it was this young lady who was getting into her car, and I could smell her. I know that sounds weird. I could smell her, and I kept looking back, and I'm like, I'm gonna ask this lady, what does she have on? Now keep in mind, we are in the parking garage. It's dark. And she's getting in her car, and I'm going to my car, and she's probably like, why are you smelling me? But I could smell her, and it smelled so good. I had to ask her what she was wearing. So I'm like, what? This is just what I said. I was like, girl, what do you have on? Because it smells amazing. And she was like, Burberry Her. You guys, this smells so good. I don't even go anywhere. As soon as I get out of the tub, I could be just doing nothing. I will take a shower, take a bath. As soon as I get out the tub or shower, I spray this on and just go about my day. I could be in the house in my lounge clothes, and I would just spray the Burberry Her on. It smells so good. Buy this. If you're trying to get started in your fragrance, buy this. You have to buy this. It smells good. Thank me later. It smells good. It smells so good. So I am going to wrap this video up. And I hope you all are staying safe. Make sure you are calling your loved ones, letting them know that you love them. And this is going to be bye for now. This is me after I film a video and I'm finished, because it takes all day. You have to keep stopping, starting over. Let me get off here. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Peace.